Hello, I wanted to make this video to show you how to solve this common problem in Windows 8 where you receive this blue error message that says your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. I'm going to show you about 3 different things that you can try, and I hope it works. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how I solved this problem. My computer went into sleep mode, and so when I came back out of sleep mode, I received this error message. So to fix it, we click on the battery icon and we click on more power options. If you're on a desktop computer, take your mouse, top right hand corner of the screen, click on search, click on settings, type in power options, should be the first result. Click on power options, same screen, and we're going to click on choose what the power button does, and then we're going to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. When we scroll down to the bottom, we can see these shutdown settings. Chances are they're already checked. If they are, uncheck them. Then click on save changes. That'll solve your problem if you receive this error message after your computer goes into sleep. Okay, so how did you update your Windows computer to Windows 8? Did you upgrade from Windows XP or Windows Vista to Windows 7 to Windows 8? If you did, chances are that's the reason why, and you're going to run into a lot of problems moving forward. If you can, back up all of your files and do a fresh install of Windows 8 with a reformatted hard drive from scratch. That'll solve this problem and a lot of other problems you're probably going to face in the future. And so the reason why you're receiving this problem is because it's a driver problem. The most common drivers that are outdated are the wireless drivers, the graphic drivers, or an antivirus needs to be updated. So here, this is what we're going to do. Take your cursor, top right hand corner, we're going to click on search. We're going to search for settings, we're going to type in event, and that'll bring up this option here, view event logs. When we click on that, it'll bring up this screen here. Okay, so here we can see event type. I've had a critical event happen in the last 24 hours. I can expand that by clicking on that plus, and here I can double click on that event, and when I do that, it'll open up that specific event and it'll give me a little bit more information. So this is how I knew how to fix my problem, and it says, you know, the system has rebooted without cleanly shutting down first. So this is how I knew that it was related to my sleep mode. This little bit of information here under source, chances are you're either going to have the same thing as me or you're going to have something different. Whatever it says here, Google it. I guarantee you're going to be able to solve your problem very quickly. Google this little bit of information, or even Google this entire sentence. And chances are that'll point you in the right direction to solve this problem. The next thing I want to show you is for everybody also. Take your cursor, top right hand corner, click on search. We're going to, under apps, search for computer, should be the first result. Right click computer and click on properties, and then click on advanced system settings. That'll bring up this system properties box. Under startup and recovery, click on settings, and then under write debugging information, chances are it's already on automatic dump, but change it to small memory dump 256 kilobytes. Okay, and then restart your computer. Chances are that might solve your problem right there.